My headlight on the car, one bulb is out, and which it is, I have no bloody clue, because basically the glass is yellow, as I will show you soon. So we need to temporarily clean it temporarily, because I have ordered the cleaning material, the headlight restoration thingy, and so I can change it, because in less than a month I need to make sure that it can pass the VRT exam, and without the light, even though you can barely see it, it does not allow that. So let's see how to do that. What I need is key, microfiber, WD-40, and then I rub it up so much that it will basically be clear for at least a day or two. And obviously we'll do the permanent shit, but for now, let's do that before it goes dark, because it's like 3:49 and like 20 minutes before it goes dark. I'm in my car, try not to make a mess. I think a few. That should be enough. Hope I don't make a mess. Turn on the thing. Well, the lights should be on. Actually, no, I found it. It's the small light. Oh, it does temporarily make it. Look, it's the small bloody light. That's literally it. This is just so temporary. It does look fucking different. Sort of. Yeah, it's the small light. Shit on the fucking. Anyway, let's see. Then at the big one, man, it didn't even last a second, bro. The big one, that works. The other one does not. So that's what we need to change. Sick. Yeah, let's see what I have, because I need to change that. Change the whole bumper. Yeah. Yes. The one I got from my father, he was for his car, and these do match. I bought the LEDs of the big ones. Here, the big ones. I bought them already, so I'm not changing them, and they still work. So I changed for an upgrade. But the things that going around are the small bulbs. That, I think, is what we need to change. But I found these in his spare set that he's like, you know what, you can use. So I guess we might give it an upgrade. So it makes more sense me changing it than the guy who bought it. Yeah, just oil in my nails, bro. This black shit is oil. It's oil. WD-40 oil, bro. What the fuck? Anywho, yeah. Now open bumper. Not the best time, but apparently... Yes, if I go on the side, I should be able to remove without the bumper. There's the big light, there's the small light. That's I think. It's not comfy, but it's not impossible. It's the brown one here. So, let's see if it's... I'm not liking this lighting. Space is the annoying part. So there's a big light, then this. Twisting it. It's coming off. There's a rubber, I don't want to remove it. Okay, cool. Yay! I just twisted to the side. Okay, so that's cool. I put it like this. I go. So far, all I did was pull it out and pull it in. So let me show you. Yeah, so I did this. Pull it out, pull it back in. I just push it in, that's it. So hopefully it works, because, you know, hopefully I remember how to put it in. I don't know what this metal thing is. Should go in that hole. This one. But it's too big. issue I'm finding is this shit is too big. There we go. And it's right position. Let me check something. The issue is that this, yeah, it's miles bigger. Fuck, let me see. I have another one, but not the LED. I want to do the LED one though. No, it's bigger than the hole, it's breaking the thing. That's not nice. That shouldn't be a thing. Well, let's see where it went. So best is I get the other stupid light and I get it. Then hopefully it falls down. Great. It's gone dark and I've given hope on making it LED, so I'm just using this instead. The old LED of my car, just for it to pass the RT and fits like a fucking glove, bro. Yeah. So that's something to note. Now, how did I should go? Hopefully I remember how I put it in. But it should be like somewhat, yeah, like that. Let's hope this fucking works and there's no problem with anything else. Let's see, just turn it on. Lights, everything. Yeah, let's hope for the best. Hey, both of them work. That's the small light. Alright, small light. Cool. Somewhere in there there's the LED. Hopefully it doesn't break anything. It will just fall off, hopefully. Let's see that they all work. So that's that. Now, light. Yeah, both lights. Headlights good. And light. Cool, it works. It works. Nice, hopefully by time. Indicators, I'm checking it to break anything, that's what I'm checking basically. It's cool. I think it's all good.